Hello and welcome back to the channel Poise Chica. This is your Poise Chica Priya, and we are back again with the super duper fun challenge. And today's video is about BFF tag. And here is my BFF, Kritika. Say hi to everyone.
Hi guys.
Let me give you a backstory how we became friends and how it feels to be our best friend forever with a person. Okay, so we are together from past more than 9 years, and we met I think in 2015 2014 to be precisely. So हम कॉलेज में मिले थे एंड द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द कॉलेज इनका फर्स्ट डे इट्स ऑलमोस्ट अ वीक लेटर हम सबका कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो गया था इनका फर्स्ट डे था ओके सो शी वॉज द वन जिसके पास कोई नोट्स नहीं थे कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं थी व्हाट लेक्चर इज दिस एंड हु आर दिस फैकल्टीज व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन अराउंड शी वॉज सो बिजी इन हर ओन वर्ल्ड तो इसको मेरे साथ बिठाया गया बिकॉज आई वॉज द स्टूडियस वन बैक देन एंड मैं सारे नोट्स वगैरह असाइनमेंट वगैरह सारे करती थी जॉट डाउन करती थी जो भी एक्सप्लेनेशन होता था क्लास में तो इसको मेरे साथ बिठाया गया सो दैट आई कैन शेयर माई नोट्स विद हर आई कैन टेल हर व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन बेसिकली एंड माई फर्स्ट थॉट about her, and she will also share what she thought about me. So I will say I thought, who is she and why she's so arrogant? She doesn't know anything what's going on, but still she doesn't have no interest to. I was talking to her like, तुम इतना लेट क्यों आई, तुम्हारे पास कोई नोट्स नहीं है
कुछ जैसे फर्स्ट डे ऑफ कॉलेज होता है सो शी स्टार्टेड आस्किंग मी व्हाट्स योर तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, तुम इतना लेट क्यों आई, ऑल दैट स्टफ एंड आई वाज लाइक ब्रो हु इज शी, व्हाई डज शी टॉक लाइक दैट, हु आर दिस तुम एंड ऑल. इतनी इज्जत मुझे रास नहीं आती है तो मुझसे सहन नहीं हुई एंड आई वाज लाइक मेरा नाम कृतिका है, तेरा नाम क्या है. आई वाज फुल ऑन तेरा तेरा तेरा
from the day one.
Yeah, and फिर धीरे धीरे that's how we became friends.
So today's video is about, we have selected 5 questions for me, 5 questions for her, and we are going to ask the question and let's see हम दोनों के thoughts and views कितने match होते हैं and how we know the dark side of us.
We are so polar opposite. हम बिल्कुल भी एक दूसरे के थॉट्स मैच नहीं करते, पसंद मैच नहीं करती. I don't know why are we still BFF, but we are, fortunately or unfortunately.
Opposite attract. You should know that by now.
Opposite attract होने के चक्कर में I lost somebody. So I don't know what to say. Anyways.
Opposite gender नहीं बोला मैंने.
बट क्वालिटी भी तो ऑपोजिट था ना उसका. Anyways, let's come back to the video. We have.
So I have my questions with me, which I'm gonna read out one by one.
We both have selected 5 questions each. I will ask about myself and she will answer. She will ask about herself and I will answer. I mean, we both will answer, and if the answers matches, then we'll get a point. If it doesn't, then of course we'll not get a point, and by the end of the video we will get to know who knows each other more.
Better.
Let's start.
Who's going to start? Again, rock, paper, scissors?
Fine.
All right.
Rock, paper,
shoot. अरे साथ में बोलना होता है. Okay, you say.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh shit. नहीं, मैंने पहले stone रखा था तो I'll consider that stone.
ये cheating है. Fine, whatever. Who is starting? You.
Yeah.
Me.
मैं जीती ना.
हाँ तो कौन स्टार्ट करेगा? तू. ठीक है कर.
इतना ही जानते हैं हम एक दूसरे को बस.
ठीक है बोल.
All right. So the very first question we have for today is, Where is the weirdest place I have ever hidden in my house?
What? How will I know that? We have
You
never
should
discussed.
know. You should know.
We have never discussed that. मुझे कैसे पता होगा? अरे बोल तो.
You should know. You have spent a day with me, a night with me, and you very well know where I hide myself when I do any kala kandi.
Fine.
Ready?
मेरा पेन नहीं रुक जा.
पेन नहीं चल रहा. जिंदगी की तरह इसकी पेन भी नहीं चल रही है. Do we have the answers? अबे एग्जाम नहीं चल रहा है ये.
Yes.
All right.
This is my kitchen balcony. I have written.
One of the same thing in window. So you got the
Yeah,
point.
I have balcony window, so I do get a point.
My turn.
I bet she don't know this answer. What is the one place I would love to visit? India and foreign country. So you have to write two places. One is in India and one is out of India.
I'm done. Are you done?
I'm not sure.
I told you you would not guess it.
Chalo.
This is my answer. I have
What is it?
Kashmir
Is out of India.
India.
Why did I
New
like
York,
Bali and
Bihar
Singapore?
is out of India.
Bali I want to visit because it's cheap.
Didn't you tell me you want to go Bali?
I want to go Bali because it's cheap, but a place I would really love to visit is New York. For India में.
No.
अरे इंडिया में क्या लिखी है?
इंडिया में मैंने लिखा ही नहीं. आई थिंक सिर्फ मैंने बाली एंड सिंगापुर लिखा.
This is what she does. She does not listen to me at all. यही तो मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ. सब सुनो. She gets 0.
Straight away अंडा. All right. Let's see. I think she is the winner for today. We already have the result.
I don't know.
How long would I survive in the Hunger Game?
In a
Hunger Game. If I have to stop, if I have to be, if I don't have to eat at all, how much I will survive? Till what time?
यार ये क्या सवाल है यार. ये मेरा guess है. Pure guess. I don't know. I'm
Ready?
ready. Yeah. I have written 1 hour.
What?
1 day.
What? Don't you know I keep fast?
Guys, she keeps eating. ये इतनी बड़ी भुक्कड़ है ना. I swear ये बहुत खाती है.
अरे.
उसको हर 2 में भूख लगती है.
Agree. I'm a foodie. I eat a lot and I need to eat every time, every second. But don't you know मैं जन्माष्टमी निराजल रखती हूँ. Not even water. That too for 24 hours.
फास्ट की बात तूने मेंशन नहीं की. यू जस्ट सेड हंगर टाइम में. तो हंगर टाइम में मैं तो वही इमेजिन करूंगी ना भाई. इसको अगर कोई भूखा रख रहा है तो ये 1 घंटे से ज्यादा भूखा रहेगी नहीं. मार देगी उस इंसान को. जबकि शी इज नॉन वायलेंट पर्सन, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू हंगर एंड स्लीप शी कैन लिटरली मर्डर पीपल. You did not mention the fast
But
thing, bro.
But fast में what do we do? वी डोंट ईट, वी डोंट ड्रिंक एनीथिंग ना, तो वैसे अगर मुझे किसी ने भूखा भी रखा तो मुझे प्रैक्टिस है, आई कैन एटलीस्ट सर्वाइव अ डे.
In my defense, इसने fast mention नहीं किया था, so I don't know what to say.
So what?
So कुछ नहीं, no point. और क्या, तू तेरा क्वेश्चन ही गलत है.
Oh
I
God.
think this. Okay, let's come to second question. I think ये तुझे आना चाहिए. You should know this.
Okay.
Otherwise, I am banning you from my friendship list.
ये वीडियो यही खत्म हो जाएगी और हमारा रिश्ता भी.
If I had a chance to meet one Bollywood and one Hollywood celebrity, who would it be?
हॉलीवुड का आई एम नॉट श्योर, बॉलीवुड का आई एम प्रीटी मच श्योर who it is gonna be.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. RK for Bollywood and Selena Gomez or maybe Kylie Jenner in Hollywood.
What have you written? RK and?
RK for Bollywood and Selena Gomez and Kylie Jenner for Hollywood.
You are right. It's Ranveer and Kylie. Why would I choose Selena? No, not Selena. I like her, but meet wala nahi.
So am I going to
But
get
you are
points or not?
right. Huh? You are right.
Thank God. Thank you Babaji. बचा लिया आपने.
हाँ. Ranveer Kapoor, all hearts for you.
She's obsessed with him like not even Alia would be so obsessed. She's that obsessed, guys.
Yeah.
So I get
Yeah.
one no.
Yeah. फिलहाल दोनों को एक मिला है.
Yeah. So now the third question. Which celebrity of my opposite sex is most likely me? It's more like me.
फेवरेट समझ में आता है. More like you?
Yeah. तू मुझे बोलते रहती
No.
है. तू मुझे बोलते रहती है. तू उसकी बहन है क्या? तू उसकी बहन है क्या?
I have no clue, but I'm just going to write this name.
Are you ready?
This just. Yeah. My answer is this. Deepika Padukone.
Opposite sex बोला मैंने. Did you not hear?
Oh shit! Sorry. Wait.
See?
मैंने
Then she says मैं नहीं सुनती. Wow.
I'll write opposite sex. Male में लिखना था. Sorry.
मैंने
अरे तू बहन.
क्या?
तू बहन होगी ना, तो मेरे दिमाग में लड़की आ गई.
Opposite sex गया खड्डे में.
वैसे मैंने तेरा आंसर देखा ही नहीं है. लेट मी गेस यार. इसकी तरह है कौन? किसकी तरह? I think if not Deepika, then it should be her husband. Ranveer Singh is my answer. मैं बता दूं कि मैं ऐसे क्यों बोलती हूँ, because she dresses up like Ranveer Singh. कुछ भी पहन के आती है and she doesn't give two fucks about it. She's like मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, I am wearing it. I don't care whatever how bad it looks.
What did you say? It looks bad.
Yeah.
It looks bad.
Sometimes.
Fine.
Terrible.
Fine.
My third question. You should know this.
You asking me a
How-
question or threatening me? I don't understand that.
How many tattoos do I have?
The palm and a heart and mommy's name. I think 2.
Answer. What have you written? Answer is this.
What was the third?
You don't know? This is the one tattoo.
Yeah.
This is the one tattoo.
Yeah.
Heart and the pop one.
Yep.
This is the mother's name.
Yep.
And the meaning of my name. You forgot my star tattoo, which shows in bloody every photo, every video, and you forgot that? What kind of friend are you? Blind one?
I'm sorry. मुझे
ऐसे दिख रहा है then two बड़े कॉन्फिडेंस से मैडम ने 2 लिखा है.
मुझे सिर्फ हार्ट पो एंड मम्मा का पता था यार. मुझे ध्यान में नहीं आया. एक और है टैटू.
That of course. This is how much you pay attention to me. No wonders मैं इसके ऊपर गुस्सा होती हूँ. मुझे attention दे. See, I have reasons.
Oh God, no, I got anda again.
I am leading. I got 2. Fourth question.
Oof. The fourth question. We are going to have fight. She might look very calm and composed, but I know the storms are coming on my way. Yep. The fourth question for you is, what would your life be like if I weren't your BFF?
ये क्या क्वेश्चन है? फिर ये तो इंडिविजुअल आंसर हुआ ना. इसमें मैच कैसे होगा आंसर?
क्यों नहीं? अगर तू मेरी जिंदगी में नहीं होती या मैं तेरी जिंदगी में नहीं होती, कैसी होती हमारी लाइफ? वही लिखना है.
मजे में. Guys, roasting is my love language. यार इसका आंसर क्या लिखूं मैं अपने हिसाब से लिख रही हूँ. I wrote my answer. This is according to me.
Fine.
ये क्या ऐसे है क्या फ्रेंडशिप पे? My answer is incomplete with a broken heart.
Same here. I have also written same. Incomplete, bizarre.
Whoa! High five. अबे high five बोला, वाह वाह करने नहीं बोला. I am literally surprised कि हमने legit वो same word लिखा,
Word
incomplete.
Yes. So,
My turn.
You should know. I mean, you have to know. I've told
you should
you.
know.
मेरा हर क्वेश्चन के पहले यही है. You should know. Okay. Fourth question is, what do I do when I'm feeling low or sad? Are you done? What are you writing?
हाँ बेटा.
2, 3. Cleaning is my answer. What are you?
I have written call me or you take a solo ride trip scooty के साथ.
कितनी
But
बार
I know you have told me कितनी बार, I know.
कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ है, मैंने तुझे कॉल नहीं किया है. I haven't told you 2 to 3 days that I'm feeling low, but you always hear I am cleaning my wardrobe, I am cleaning my bathroom, I am cleaning my bedroom. Cleaning is the answer. I start cleaning, dusting, whatever shit I found. भले वो इतना चमक रहा है अच्छा खासा, then do I am cleaning it.
I can't take it.
So the fifth question for today and the last question from my end is, am I more like my dad or my mom?
अपीयरेंस वाइज बताना है कि बिहेवियर वाइज?
Behavior wise बता दे.
दिस इज वेरी इजी, कम ऑन. My answer is like mom.
Mom.
This is
You
very
got
common.
all the points today, girl. You.
So
Again,
the
I got
last
Anda.
question from my end is, what am I most afraid of?
What am I most afraid of?
What am I most afraid of? मैं देखो थोड़ा हिंट देती हूँ कि ये मतलब इंसेक्ट वगैरह ये सबसे रिलेटेड नहीं है. दिस इज द हिंट. लेट मी हेल्प यू.
Is it about life? No.
I am very generous. Generally, what am I most afraid of? Are you ready?
I don't know how to write this, yeah.
अरे whatever you wrote show ना.
But let's.
What have you written?
I have written, if someone shouts from behind or hidden. अगर कोई आगे तुझे ऐसे boom कर दिया तो you are gone.
Bizarre answer. This is what I'm afraid of. Losing my
What?
loved ones. Abandonment issue है मुझे. You know that. I am very obsessive as a person. And जिसके लिए मैं obsessed हूँ, that person leaves me. That
मेरा सेकंड क्वेश्चन यही था, पता है? आई मीन सेकंड आंसर यही था.
तेरा इतना बचकाना आंसर था. If someone does show bow to me, I can. See, you are clearly lost. So this was our BFF tag, and as you all can see, this girl has clearly lost. She does not know me at all. I need to make a new friend who will know me. जबकि मैं as a person, I am very extrovert and she is the introvert one. वो बहुत अपना express नहीं करती अपने emotions. Still, I know her better than she knows me.
Questions cannot define my friendship, okay?
अपने डिफेंस में तो कुछ भी बोल. This is the result of today's video.
Oh God, how? I can't believe this, yeah.
And you know guys, ये अंदर की बात है, मतलब हमारे बीच की बात है. मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्ट में ही इसको बोला था, जब ये हम शूट करने वाले थे, मैं इसको बोल के रखा था कि आई एम गोइंग टू लूज अ बिग वन बिकॉज आई एम सो वोकल, यू आर नॉट सो वोकल. तो मुझे बारे में इतना नहीं पता होगा, बट ऑपोजिट हो गया उसका.
आई थिंक मैंने क्वेश्चंस कुछ ज्यादा ही कॉमन और बहुत ही ज्यादा इजी रखे थे.
कोई नहीं, there's always a next time. BFF tag part 2 हम करेंगे, तब तू अपना बदला निकाल लेना, ठीक है?
Of course, why not? but I'm upset about this one. How did I not know these questions? I knew, but why did I not try? Why did it not hit in my mind? I don't know.
So this was it for the day. I hope you all have enjoyed the video thoroughly as we enjoyed being a part of it. And we will see you in the next video very soon, and we'll collaborate again once we have much more fun idea and the content for you. And अगर आपके पास कोई
The next time shoot the video, we will be together. Due to some circumstances, हमको आज ऐसे shoot करना पड़ा for some reasons. But next time we'll shoot when we are together.
Exactly. And I
And
promise.
those who don't know, let me tell you, हम long distance relationship बोलने वाली थी.
You can say friendship relationship.
हाँ, मतलब हमारी friendship is long distance. Yeah, so those who don't know, हमारी friendship is long distance friendship. So हम हर रोज तो नहीं मिल सकते because we
Not even
stay.
every week.
तो polar, हम जितने polar opposites हैं, हम stay भी उतने ही polar opposites करते हैं. So whenever we shoot the next part of this video, BFF Tag 2, part 2, or you would say, we'll shoot it together.
For sure. So this was it, and I will take a sign off from here. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel, and share if you have any other special content or any suggestions for us so that we can create. Okay, till then keep watching, keep laughing, and tata bye bye.